I just want to say, this is not a blueberry Faygo. I don't know if you guys see my previous video, the Faygo Chug. I kept getting interrupted by Lil Mosey, as you guys can see right here. We have a 2 liter of... What is that? Someone playing that right now? Or is this in my head? We have a 2 liter of... Alright, I'm done. I'm not doing this. Whatever. Dislike the video. I don't care. Yeah, I don't want that happening today. This is not a blueberry Faygo. It's a Faygo Cola. Let's go. This is one flavor that I just had to get. You guys know how I feel about cola, but when I'm off camera, obviously I'm not drinking soda pop, but it's just my favorite to chug on this channel. I do this for you guys. I feel like I have to try it because I have to judge if it tastes exactly like cola, because it obviously took the name Cola out of Coca Cola. I'm gonna be trying this here today and seeing if this tastes like Coca Cola. I just want to for some reason. Let's go. Let's see how fast we can chug this. Let's chug this as fast as possible because I just woke up, as you guys can tell, and I'm like really still tired right now. So please hit that like button. 2 liter Faygo Cola in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And that tastes so weird. Ew. This doesn't taste good at all. That's disgusting. So, there it was. That was a Faygo Cola Chug. Honestly, that tasted nothing like Coca Cola at all. This tastes like a chemical. That's what this tastes like. That was the chug, the Faygo Chug. If you guys haven't seen the last 2 parts of the 2 liter Faygo Chug, I think the first one was Blueberry Faygo. That video did extremely well. Almost 30,000 views. I appreciate you guys for that. The second one's doing really good too. So if you guys haven't seen those, link down below in the description. You guys can check those videos out. Please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet already subscribed. We're on the road to 2K. Let's get it. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. We're out.